Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're showcasing 20 new woodworking tools that make perfect joints every time. From innovative joinery systems and precision jigs to game-changing clamps and cutting tools, these woodworking inventions help you achieve stronger, cleaner, and more accurate joints with less effort. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a passionate DIY woodworker, these tools can take your craftsmanship to the next level. Let's get started.
Dowelling Jig. The Dowelling Jig is a precision tool for creating perfectly aligned, repeatable dowel joints. Crafted from CNC machined 6000 series aluminum or 11 gauge stainless steel, it offers exceptional durability and accuracy. Featuring versatile dowel sizes, stainless steel indexing pins, preset incremental hole locations, and a built-in alignment slot, it ensures flawless joint setups. Laser engraved markings, hardened steel guide bushings, and a 90-degree reference angle make it ideal for edge-to-edge, T-type, and flush woodworking joints with unmatched precision. Cyclonic Separator, JDC-CS. The Jet Cyclonic Separator, JDC-CS, is a 4-inch add-on that boosts dust collection efficiency by separating large chips and debris before they reach the main filter. Using a 2-stage cyclonic design, it protects filters, maintains airflow, and extends filter life. Its clear polycarbonate body allows visual monitoring, while universal compatibility fits most containers. With minimal maintenance, standard 4-inch hose connection, and reduced equipment wear, the JDC-CS improves air quality, enhances system efficiency, and offers a cost-effective upgrade for any workshop. Pro ERGO one-hand clamp. The Wolfcraft. Pro ERGO one-hand clamp is a rugged, ergonomic clamping solution built for serious woodworking and assembly tasks. It offers smooth one-handed operation with a powerful clamping force up to 150 kilograms for demanding jobs. The clamp easily converts into a spreader without tools, adding versatility. An ergonomic soft grip handle reduces fatigue, while large rubberized jaws protect delicate surfaces. Durable steel rails and reinforced housing ensure long-lasting professional performance. SG-40H Stump Grinder. The Bandit SG-40H Stump Grinder is a compact yet heavy-duty, track-driven machine built for professional performance. Powered by a 40 horsepower Vanguard EFI gasoline engine, it delivers strong, reliable torque. Its standout feature is the side-mounted hydraulic cutter wheel drive, eliminating belts and reducing maintenance. With aggressive rubber tracks, excellent operator visibility, intuitive joystick controls, and flexible cutter wheel tooth options, the SG-40H offers efficiency, durability, and productivity on challenging terrain. Pole Saw. The Cyclonic Pole Saw is a smart 2-in-1 cordless cutting tool that works as both an extendable pole saw for high branches and a compact handheld mini chainsaw for groundwork. Powered by a strong 400-watt brushless motor, it delivers smooth, efficient cuts with low maintenance. The adjustable extension pole reaches up to 6.5 feet, while safety locks, protective guards, and an ergonomic rubber grip ensure comfortable, secure, and fatigue-free operation for all users. Portable Edgebander AG-Zeroline. The Viratex Portable Edgebander AG-Zeroline brings true industrial zero-joint edge banding to the job site. Using advanced hot air fusion technology, it delivers seamless, glue-free edges with superior strength and durability. Fast 2.5-minute heat up, excellent resistance to heat and moisture, and support for straight, curved, and angled panels make it ideal for professional cabinetry, furniture making, and high-end finishing, without the hassle of glue pot maintenance. Electric planer. The Woodworking electric planer is a reliable corded woodworking tool built for smooth, accurate surface finishing. Powered by a strong 900-watt motor with a 16,000 revolutions per minute no-load speed, it delivers fast material removal on both soft and hardwoods. The adjustable 0 to 3mm cutting depth and 82mm planing width offer excellent control. Its heavy-duty aluminum base ensures stability, while the ergonomic soft grip handle reduces fatigue during extended use. Trend Hinge Jig. The Trend Hinge Jig is a portable precision routing template designed for fast, accurate hinge recessing in wooden doors and frames. Ideal for site work or workshops, it delivers clean, repeatable results with minimal setup. Adjustable aperture blocks ensure a perfect hinge fit, while durable aluminum rails provide smooth routing. Compatible with multiple hinge sizes and plunge routers, it's a reliable time-saving solution for professional joiners and installers. WXT20H Log Splitter. The Wallenstein WXT20H Log Splitter is a high-output towable horizontal splitter built for serious firewood production. Its innovative two-way splitting action works on both strokes, delivering 20 tons of force with fast 6.6 second cycles. Powered by a reliable 6.5 horsepower Vanguard engine, it handles tough hardwoods with ease. Ergonomic bed height, centered controls, durable powder coat finish, and easy towing make it efficient, comfortable, and job site ready for homeowners, professionals, and anyone needing maximum productivity in a compact, transport-friendly machine every single day. Panel carrier. The Maxiwa panel carrier, TC3000, is a smart shop-ready solution for moving large sheet materials safely and efficiently. Designed for true single-person operation, it handles plywood, drywall, MDF, and metal panels with ease. Its adjustable height aligns perfectly with saws and workstations, while the tilting platform simplifies loading and unloading. Built from rugged steel with smooth rolling wheels, it boosts productivity, reduces strain, and keeps material handling fast, stable, and safe. Stair Tread Template. The Magmaniac. Stair Tread Template is a durable, anodized aluminum measuring jig designed for precise stair treads, risers, and shelving templates. Its dual nut locking system prevents errors, while adjustable lengths 17.9 to 60 plus inches, and pivoting ends handle straight, curved, or spiral stairs. Aerospace grade construction ensures toughness and corrosion resistance. Quick edge stops and laser etch scales allow fast, repeatable measurements. Versatile for shelves, windowsills, and flooring, its modular design makes it portable, compact, and ideal for any woodworking project. CNC Router. The Foxalian CNC routers combine sturdy all-aluminum frames, high upgrade compatibility, and user-friendly design for hobbyists and professionals alike. Models like Masuta, XE Pro, Vasto, and XE Ultra offer options from desktop to industrial scale projects. Features include NEMA 23 stepper motors, versatile spindle mounts, linear rails, and ball screws for precision. Pre-assembled parts, dust-proof controllers, and optional offline touchscreen controls simplify setup. Many models support extensions, laser modules, and various working areas, making Foxalian routers adaptable, precise, and ready for growth. Bench sander. The Ryobi Bench Sander BD4 601G/RBDS 4601G is a versatile combination belt and disc sander designed for precision woodworking. It features a powerful 4.3 amp motor, a 4-inch by 36-inch belt, and a 6-inch disc for shaping, sanding, and finishing. The adjustable belt arm, 0 degrees to 90 degrees, and tilting work table, 0 degrees to 45 degrees, offer flexibility, while the cast iron base ensures stability. Tool-free belt changes, an integrated dust port, and safety features like a lockout switch and live tool indicator make it efficient, durable, and safe for any workshop. AnglePro Deck Tool. The GRK AnglePro Deck Tool is a versatile heavy-duty guide system for installing hidden deck fasteners, delivering a flawless, screw-free finish. It adjusts to deck boards 3.35 inches to 5.9 inches wide and allows precise gapping from 0.12 inches to 0.3 inches, accommodating material expansion. Built-in precision guides ensure fast, accurate placement, while its durable construction handles tough job site conditions. Compatible with composite, PVC, cedar, and hardwood, it eliminates the need for pre-drilling with GRK Deck Elite screws, saving time and effort. Circular saw. The Einhell circular saws are versatile, user-friendly tools, available in corded and cordless models. They offer tool-free adjustments for cutting depth and bevel angle, durable aluminum base plates, and quick blade changes with spindle locks. Safety features include retracting blade guards, splitting wedges, and lockout switches, while dust extraction keeps work areas clean. Cordless models use the Power Exchange system for mobility, and many saws support guide rails and parallel guides for precise, straight cuts. Ergonomic grips reduce fatigue during extended use. DXIII DriftMaster. The Laguna DX. IIII DriftMaster is a versatile precision bandsaw fence system designed for ultimate accuracy in resawing and straight cuts. Featuring a rack and pinion adjustment, tool-free drift compensation, and high/low fence positions, it allows micro adjustments, rapid manual repositioning, and 10 degrees drift angle correction. Its linear guide rail ensures smooth movement, while color-coded controls simplify operation. With a reversible measuring scale and universal mounting for 14 to 18-inch bandsaws, this durable anodized aluminum fence, 27 pounds, is built for professional performance and efficiency. Roll Outfeed System. The Grizzly T 32428. Roll Outfeed System is a must-have for cabinet-style table saws, offering safe, level, and tool-free support for long boards and full sheets. Its collapsible design saves space, while a 37-inch roller ensures straight, stable feeding to reduce kickbacks and jams. Ideal for single-person operation, it supports workpieces up to 48 inches beyond the blade. Durable, easy to install, and compatible with most cabinet saws, it enhances workflow, safety, and convenience in any workshop. Finishing sander. The Makita DBO 380Z finishing sander is an 18-volt LXT cordless tool designed for precision sanding with a powerful brushless motor and 3-stage electronic speed control. Adjustable speeds 4,000, 8,000 and 12,000 OPM handle everything from delicate paint removal to fast wood sanding. It features constant speed control, a detachable front grip for tight corners, and efficient dust extraction with a high-capacity bag or vacuum connection. Ergonomic design, tool-less paper changes, and low vibration make it perfect for smooth, fatigue-free finishing. OneTIME Tool, the Woodpeckers. OneTIME tools are limited edition, precision-machined woodworking tools made in the USA, available only briefly during single production runs. Known for extreme accuracy within thousandths of an inch, they feature high-quality materials like aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel. Many tools combine multiple functions, reviving classic designs with innovative enhancements such as laser-engraved scales and ergonomic handles. Each tool includes a custom protective case, ensuring durability and organization, making them a must-have for serious woodworkers and cabinet makers.